Hey guys, gonna have a little fun with the lunchbox. Found some gravel. Heck yeah. Oh, she a bouncy. I love it. Doesn't do the best donuts though, but I guess that's to be expected. Well, it does pretty good that way though. Yeah, ain't bad. Doing fairly decent to the right, but not too good to the left. Huh. I don't know, that's weird. Pretty cool though. Oh yeah, this is the first time I really, oh there it goes. Well, kinda. Getting out my road now. This is the first time I've ever really got this thing out. Kinda dirty. Dirty, dusty, whatever. It's all fun. Oh yeah. The lunchbox. Where I was gonna go. Ooh, I rolled it. How in the hell did I do that? Where I was gonna go, there was a whole lot of mud. Grass is all wet and everything, so no. That's what happens. I love how this thing just bounces. She's a bouncy girl. Come on. I'm driving her one-handed, so sorry for the crappy driving. At least one cool thing, at least, I better shut up. I was gonna say at least the back tire's still on, but it'll probably fall off now that I said it. Oh yeah. Donuts. Lunchbox donuts. All right. I wanted to go over to the ball field, but there were a bunch of kids over there playing, so I wasn't gonna disturb them. Man, this thing's cool. This is fun. Woo-hoo. Whoa, almost rolled her. Oh, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. Very cool. Very, very cool. Nice. I'm gonna go down here to the bridge and see what's on the other side of the bridge. God, I ain't been on this bridge in years. It'd be a cool place to go crawling. Huh, that's the wrong truck for crawling. Oh man, let's make some neat pictures. Profile pictures out here on the river bridge. Very cool. Nice. God, I ain't been on this thing in years. Wow. Very cool. Well, guys, I'm going to let you go. I'm going to take a couple of pictures of this and then go get my other one. Gonna run the first drive on the Clodbuster. So anyway, guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Glad you found it. And thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you soon on the next one. Take care. Bye.